Okay, this is an introduction to our substitution reactions. So first of all, let's look at what a substitution reaction is. It follows the general form Rx plus Y minus gives Ry plus X minus, and the Y is substituting for the X. Y minus is called a nucleophile and X is called the leaving group. And these are some of the leaving groups that we're going to be using: Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, RCO minus, and TSO minus. That's called a tosylate group. Don't worry about what the tosyl part is, just know it's a good leaving group. Neutral compounds such as water and alcohols are also good leaving groups. Now let's look at an example of two examples of substitution reactions. You've got the X here, that's the leaving group, and the Y minus is going to come in and substitute for the X. So you see the Y minus comes in, it becomes neutral then, so Cl minus becomes Cl, and the OTS minus becomes TSO minus. So that comes off as a negative charge. So if this enters as a negative, that comes off as a negative. Now the next thing we want to look at is why this is called a nucleophile. Well, what happens is that if we look at the polarity of this bond, this bond has a delta plus and this has a delta minus on it, or this carbon has a delta plus, and what's going to happen is the Cl minus will be attracted to that. And that's the general form of what's going on with these substitution reactions. On the bottom one, you've got this Cn replacing the Br. Again, the Cn minus comes in as a negative, the Br comes off as a negative. So in both cases here, the charge balance is maintained.